It's Mike Oakes with Earthworks. Just some useful tips for the guys in the field and you at home for tools. So some of the most important things out here in the field are our tools. We want to make sure that they're clean, they're not broken. Got to do like quick fixes like this in the field. It's a little embarrassing, but you got to do what you got to do in order to get the job done. You know, we got tools like this. It's a nice, pretty tool. It don't have no tape on it. It's not broken. Everything's nice and secure. Same thing with your shovels. You want to make sure they're sharp, keeping everything clean. So when you're cutting palm trees, you want to make sure that you're cleaning off your blades so you're not transferring the disease that's in that tree to another tree if that tree is diseased. Another thing is with the weed eaters and stuff like that, spray a little bit of bleach on the end. The weed eater, the edger, anything like that, just kind of help kill and neutralize the bacteria that's on there. You just want to make sure that if you're edging, weed eating, things like that, you have your safety glasses on. Using concrete saw, have hearing and respiratory protection. I don't know if you ever cut with a dull chainsaw. It's just kind of, it doesn't work the same as if it was a fresh new blade on the thing, so it's also a lot more dangerous. So because the blade will pop off, things like that. We just want to make sure everything is 100% before you start using it.